What's going on, man? We back. We're on our way right now to pick up the Caddy. We got the call earlier that it's ready to come get it, so I had to get in the car immediately and go get my car back because I gotta have it, man. And, you know, I can't be too long without my stuff. So right now we're in the middle of nowhere, headed to Fat Fabs to pick it up. So I think I'm trying to remember where it is. I've only passed it. I've passed it like once or twice, and I think it's back over here actually. So anyway, yeah, we're trying to go pick it up, see what it look like. He sent me a couple pictures of it, and man, it looks really, really good. But I think it needs a little bit more squat, so we're definitely gonna be getting that done. And anyway, let me cut y'all back on whenever we get over here to get the car and focus on this road.
Look, it makes me feel good.
We're pulling up to the Fat Fabs to.
Why is it spelled with a P?
Because that's how they spell it with a P. They got that girl sitting right out front too. You pull up to. Lord, Lord, Lord.
Say what?
Oh man, god dang, that's.
Oh, I don't know. I wouldn't do that. Ooh, it's dirty.
Sitting outside. They ain't got no parking lot. But anyway. Check y'all out. See. I know. It's bad, but it's clean though. Man, I'm gonna show y'all kind of what they do at Fat Fabs. This is what they do. They specialize in, which was why I was like hesitant to bring it up here. But like this is the Fat Fabs way right here. This is crazy. I mean, they do crazy trucks. Like this one is crazy. That's insane. But that ain't what we're here for. We're here to pick up the lag, man. She a little dusty, but that'll give me more reason to get it washed up, get it back to the house. Yeah, give y'all a quick little shot, see what she looking like. Oh man, yeah. Woo-hoo. Let me go in here and cash them out real fast and get the car to the house. And yeah, this is woo-wee. Anyway, Scott went and cashed out with the owner, man. I got this thing home and get it cleaned up, so we'll definitely have to wash it. Y'all see, she's real dirty. He's like, it's real pollen season here in Oklahoma, so everything is just covered in pollen. But man, they did a hell of a job getting it. And he told me, he's like, man, they shortened it an inch both sides as far as they could go, and it fits off in there, but it's still, like he said, maybe a little off kilter. It may rub a little bit, but I highly doubt it. So yeah, we're about to get in this thing, take it to the house, and kind of go over it. Man, it looks good though. God, it looks good. I think we can actually give it a little more squat in the back. Honestly, man, I think we can go a little further down in the back. Right now, man, this thing is killing on these wires. Got my chauffeur. She brought me out here. So now, like I said, I got to make it home with this, and then I got to go back and pick up my STS. And then, man, I think I might want to put like some 6s on the Escalade. I don't know. Yep, we're ready. Yeah, I may go ahead and put 6s on my Escalade. It depends. I may put 24s or 6s on it, just give it a different look for her. So anyway, about to get in the car. I'm trying to let it cool off, man. Let the AC come down, because it's blazing hot outside right now. And actually, it's not too bad in here. Man, and I kind of figured out, somebody told me the other day about what it possibly could be wrong with, damn, the steering wheel gets hot. What could possibly be wrong with the odometer, why it's all over the place. He said sometimes the speedo cable gets all out of whack, so we're gonna see how that goes. But right now I gotta get out of here and get on this road, so I'm finna cut y'all back on once we pull up to the house, and we're gonna look at the work on it and see if it's good. So we'll check back in with y'all in a minute. Y'all see, we made it home. We got the car home, and my white walls are already dirty. That's because I didn't finish taking this piece out, which that ain't no big deal. I get it took off, ripped out of there where it won't hit. Yeah, finally got my car back. And the crazy part is he said 2 weeks to a month, and he got it done in 9 days. Man, they did a good job. And he was telling me, like, let me see if I can show y'all, like, how close it is on. He said it's actually a little closer on the driver's side than the passenger side, but you know, as y'all can see, it's about, I'd say, a 1/4 inch on this side, because like I said, them old GM axles, they never are dead center. So that one's in. But I drove it home, I didn't really hear any rubbing or anything, like it was hitting anything. So, and I just figured, like, going on off-kilter turns, it might hit, but I've done a few of those, like especially coming up my driveway, nothing. And this one's a little more on this side. So we on there now. Gotta get all this stuff out of the back and get it cleaned back up. So the final major step so far is done on this car. Everything else major can wait, man, because right now, like I said, I'm not gonna just blow a bag on the car from hitting that thing. I can take it off, but I need to get it cleaned up again, and we're gonna do all the suspension stuff because we already got that, so that'll be there and be able to squat the tail of this thing a little bit more. We'll get all, we're still waiting on the rest of the door stuff to come in. I got the channels that came in, we got to get them in one day at a time. I think it looks real good. It came out way better than what I expected, man. This exceeds all my expectations. This car, I will still put this second to my Coupe de Ville, because that Coupe de Ville just was, like I said, it's got a special place in my heart. So yeah, y'all see it. The Brougham is back home. Gonna get back work on this one. Working on the Camaro. I gotta go to Walmart real fast and pick up groceries, you know, and then we gotta go pick up the STS for my job and pick up the rest of my tools.
Oh my gosh, I forgot. We have to go back out there.
Forgot we gotta go all the way back out there and get the other car.
You're driving.
So we got so much to do in such a small amount of time. It took me a lot longer than I thought it would to go pick this up, because I went to get it during rush hour traffic, which was a bad idea. But I tell you what, I mean, it pulls down the highway. And the little 305, man, I really wasn't, like, big on it. But, man, that little 305 that's powerful, man. I really, really dig the little 305. It does its job. It ain't got to be over the top, nothing crazy. But, yeah, y'all see, we back home. We got to get the Camaro finished. We got all the stuff to finish it already, all the shocks and stuff. I'm going to fix the front bumper up for him, get that done. And then it's all hands on deck finishing this thing. We're getting it, you know, where I want it for now. I'm not gonna paint the hood and the trunk for a little while, because I'm really just gonna enjoy it. But yeah, man, it's been just, this has gone a lot smoother than I thought, minus the one hiccup getting the rear end shortened and the dude who sold me the wheels with his lies. But other than that, man, I'm super excited about this car and how it turned out. Blessings, man. I'm thankful every single day to be able to do this, provide y'all with this content, enjoy my cars, enjoy my family, man. As long as I keep putting God first, man, and doing the right thing, I'm noticing everything seems to work out. This guy right here got to get a car next. We got to get him. He said he want a Challenger or a Charger, you know what I mean? I'm like, ain't my cup of tea, but, you know, got to do the right thing. He do his part and be a good son and get good grades. I'll do my part and be a good dad and provide the life that he needs. So anyway, it's enough of me rambling on, man. Brougham is back home. We're getting back work on it. So if y'all seen a better Cadillac in Oklahoma City, let me know. I don't think there's a better one. And if it is, that's your opinion. My opinion is this the best one in the city. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. We're going to catch y'all in the next video.